welcome to my temporary bedroom. I am in Sydney right now and I've been here for 1 week. Michael and I are staying with a friend until we find our own apartment, and I was going to give you guys an updated wardrobe tour, so I was just cleaning out my clothes, but then I realized, why don't I just show you as I clean them out? Because who doesn't love a good organizing video, am I right? I'm just gonna take you guys through the mess that is currently my closet. I've been kind of like moving stuff around a lot to figure out the way that works best for me because Michael and I are sharing a closet. I have one drawer of that closet. Well, we have like a dresser. I'll just show you. So we have a dresser. So this is the dresser situation that we have currently. Michael has a lot of that stuff filled. I don't know why, because he really doesn't have that many clothes. Up here we have, this drawer is like a joint drawer, so we both have like socks, underwear, and then this is my drawer. It looks like this. I'm trying to block the sunlight from coming in too strong. So I just have all of my clothes rolled up in here. A few people have mentioned to me that they've noticed that I've gotten a few new clothes. I haven't actually gotten any new clothes. I just have a lot of my clothes that I've had in storage, like my winter clothes. I've whipped them out because I am in the winter now. Kind of sucks because I'm not a cold weather person, but I'm ready to settle down in one place, and I have all of my clothes now in Australia, so I have a much bigger wardrobe than I'm used to having because everything is here. Let's just get into what we actually have. So this is my drawer of clothes. This is a sweater. What is all over my hands? What the heck? What is this from? Okay, so I have like a whole bunch of stuff in here. It's not that organized. This is my sweater. I have my gray sweater under there, which I wear all the time. And then here's a sweater that I've been wearing like to bed a lot. This is a sweater that I just wear really comfortable. It's just like an off-the-shoulder sweater. Here's a tank top, another tank top. I have some pajamas back here and some like Nike jogger pants. And then here's flowy shirt. I have 2 pairs of pants, blue jeans and black jeans. A more shirt, gray long sleeve shirt. That's just a purple short sleeve shirt that my sister gave me to tell me that she was having a baby, so it says anti-squat on it. Oh my god, this is getting crazy. There's my white little like lace looking dress. Workout pants, black tank top, black like loose pants. That's that messy drawer. That's literally the only drawer of clothes I have. If you have a limited space, I would really recommend rolling your clothes like that because you can fit so many more things and you can see all of your clothes a lot better. I also have some clothes on the other side of the closet here. That is Michael's stuff. Here is my winter jacket. I got this when I went to Europe and it was the winter there. It was freaking freezing. My green dress. Here is a like little summer dress because I usually keep these dresses at home. They're not very easy to travel with. Here is a dress that I absolutely love. I ran out of hangers, so I need to get some. I have this gray fuzzy sweatshirt. I'm just kind of draping stuff over here. This is so terrible. Yellow sweater, which I haven't worn very much since I bought it for the European winter. Oh, there is my backpack, and like this is why it's so unorganized. So I have my summer stuff that I know I'm not gonna wear. I just kind of threw it up here with my packing cubes and my backpack. We're not planning on living here for a very long time, so we're just kind of trying to keep it semi-organized until we move, and then we can figure out where we're actually gonna put everything once we have a more steady place to live. Oh, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing as well, if that's helpful. Long sleeve shirt that has a whole bunch of holes in it. I got this from, I have that white stuff all over me. Oh my god. That I bought in Barcelona a long time ago. Here's my black leggings, wear these all the time, and then here's my little house shoes that I got in Vietnam. Okay, let's get up here. So here's, it's not really part of my wardrobe, but here's my purse that I use all the time, and it has my reusable bag in there and my coffee cup. And then this is my mess shelf. So this is like, I have some scarves here. This is a blanket flannel scarf, a beanie with a matching scarf. I'm gonna like go through and fold these in a second. I don't usually live like this. Here's my pink sweater, just a cream colored sweater, bathing suit. That's not ours. Puma hat. I'm just gonna go through, organize this stuff. So this will be like the before version. Shorts, too cold for you. Okay, so this is all of my summer clothes. I'm gonna just put them in here with anything that I'm not going to be using. So, bathing suits. Two-piece bathing suit. Not going swimming anytime soon. Just get it as... Can't think of the word consolidated. Get it as consolidated as possible. The rest of this stuff is winter stuff. I say you mean this is nice and rollerblade. She said this needs to be washed. It's okay, anything to get away. I have a task of hand washing my clothes set up in my bullet journal for after I organize my wardrobe. I'm very organized. So yeah, this is very easy. This is a coffee scooper. Don't really know how to organize like a hat. We're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get us out of here. I'm gonna get us out of here. I'm gonna get us out of here. This is actually all Michael's stuff. So easy to see, easy to grab, easy to use. Okay, well that was probably one of the easiest closet declutters I've ever done. Let's take a look-see. So here's the closet. I put my summer clothes in there with all of my stuff that I don't need for packing. All that's put away, organized. Here's my side of the closet. I put my sweaters up here because that's what I'm actually going to be wearing, and my jacket, and then this dress has to stay hung up. Let's not talk about that. Briefly organized. I folded all my scarves and my hats and my sweater up there, and that's really easily accessible now. And this hasn't changed at all because, to be honest, this has been working pretty well for me. I just have everything rolled up. I have a system here, like all of my shirts are on this side, my workout clothes are on the very edge, my pajamas are in the back, and then my sweater is right here, my pants are right here. Works out well for me. That's pretty much it. That's the whole thing. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you think about my organizational system. It wasn't like a crazy video today, but give this a video thumbs up if you liked it. Really supports my channel, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!